Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and welcome to Mini Block Monday number 1. Today I'm going to teach you how to piece this cute churn dash block. For this block, you will need two 2-inch squares in a dark fabric color, two 2-inch squares in a light fabric color, 4 1.5 by 1 inch rectangles in a medium fabric color, 4 1.5 by 1 inch rectangles in a light fabric color, and 1 1.5 inch square in white. Let's first make some half square triangles. Take your 2-inch fabric squares and layer them right sides together. Then top it with a ruler running on the diagonal and mark a diagonal line from corner to corner. Take this to your machine and you're going to stitch exactly 1/4 inch to both sides of the line. This is what this is supposed to look like when you get it finished. Now take your half square triangles and cut them apart. You're just going to slice right down the middle on that marked line. Then you open it up and you can see your triangles. Go on ahead and press these seam allowances open and flat, and then trim this unit down to measure 1.5 inches square. If you'd like to find a more detailed tutorial on how to make half square triangles, click here to find another video on how to piece half square triangles specifically. So you're going to make a total of 4 half square triangles using all of your 2-inch squares. Take your time doing this and cutting everything down to the right size. Now let's create the sides of our churn dash block. You're going to work with the 1.5 by 1 inch rectangles, and you're going to piece these together in sets of 2. Just make sure that you have one of the medium color fabrics and one of the light colored fabrics. Place these right sides together and stitch a 1/4 inch seam along one side. Measure your unit after you have it pieced and the seams pressed open, and make sure that this measures exactly 1.5 inches square. Now let's assemble our block. You're going to place the half square triangles in each of the 4 corners with the darkest blue fabric facing inward. Your white square is going to go in the center, and then the rectangle piece units, the sides, are going to go along the sides with the medium fabric facing inwards, just like so. Now you're going to piece this block in sets of 3 units. Simply piece across those 3 units together, then the middle, then the bottom, then piece the rows together, carefully matching the seams. Here's what it looks like whenever you finish your churn dash block. And here's what it looks like whenever you make our project for this month, this cute pen cushion. You can use any of our Mini Block Monday blocks for your pen cushion, and you can find the pattern for this in our Quilt Friends Club. Check it out at quiltfriends.club. So that's it for this tutorial. If you'd like to find more Mini Block Monday videos, click here to find a playlist of them all. And if you'd like more tips on quilt piecing, click here to find a video with my 5 main tips for piecing successfully. And if you'd like to learn even more, I have written a book about piecing. This is How to Piece Perfect Quilts. You can find it on my website at leahday.com/piece. Until next time, let's go quilt.